Hello, everyone. Welcome to the very first episode of our English speaking course. I'm Emily.
And I'm George. We're so happy you're here today. Thank you for joining us.
Whether you're learning English for school, for work, for travel, or simply because you love learning languages, this course is for you.
Maybe you can understand English, but speaking is still difficult.
Maybe you know many English words, but you don't know how to use them in real conversations.
Or maybe you're a complete beginner. That's perfectly okay.
Don't worry about making mistakes. In this classroom, mistakes are welcome because every mistake helps you learn.
Exactly. Nobody speaks perfect English on the first day. Everyone starts somewhere.
Even native speakers make mistakes. So don't be afraid. Just speak, practice, and enjoy the journey.
This course has 30 exciting episodes. Each lesson is designed to make your English better than yesterday. We'll learn step by step. No pressure, no complicated explanations. Just practical English you can use every day.
By the end of this course, you'll feel much more confident speaking English. So take a deep breath, smile, and let's begin.
Emily, can I ask you something?
Of course. Go ahead.
Do you remember your first English lesson?
I do. I remember feeling nervous. I wanted to say everything perfectly.
Me too. I thought I had to know every word before speaking.
But later, I realized something important.
What was it?
You don't need perfect English. You need confident English.
That's such an important lesson. Many students wait too long before speaking.
Exactly. They keep studying grammar, they keep memorizing vocabulary, but they never speak.
And speaking is the most important part.
Think of English like learning to swim. You can't learn only by reading a book. You have to get into the water.
The same is true for English. You have to speak. Even if your sentences are short. Even if you make mistakes.
Today, we'll start with simple English. Because simple English is powerful English.
That's true. It helps people get better jobs.
It helps students study abroad.
It helps travelers communicate.
It helps people make friends around the world.
And today, English is everywhere. Movies, music, books, games, the internet. Even many mobile apps use English.
So every new English word you learn is a step toward new opportunities.
That's exciting, isn't it?
Very exciting. Today, we're going to learn the first rule of speaking English. Ready?
I'm ready.
Don't try to sound perfect. Try to communicate.
That's the goal. Communication. Not perfection.
For example, if you say, "I hungry," people still understand you.
Of course. The correct sentence is, I am hungry.
But don't stay silent because you're afraid of mistakes. Speak first. Improve later.
That's how confident speakers grow.
Now let me introduce myself. Hello! My name is Emily. I'm an English teacher. I love helping people learn English. Reading books is one of my favorite hobbies. I also enjoy traveling. I like meeting new people. And I absolutely love coffee. It's wonderful to meet all of you.
That was simple, clear, and natural. Now it's my turn. Hello, everyone. My name is George. I'm also an English teacher. I enjoy watching movies. I like football. I love cooking. I also enjoy listening to music. Meeting new people makes me happy. I'm excited to learn English together with you.
See? Simple sentences, easy grammar, useful vocabulary. That's exactly how beginners should practice. Let's learn some greetings. Repeat after us. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. See you later. Goodbye. Let's have a conversation. Listen carefully. Hello.
Hi! How are you?
I'm great. Thank you. How about you?
I'm doing very well. Thanks for asking.
What's your name?
My name is George. What's your name?
My name is Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. Where are you from?
I'm from England.
That's wonderful. Do you like learning English?
Yes, I really do. How about you?
I love English. It's fun to learn.
That was an easy conversation.
And you can use it almost anywhere. Let's learn 20 useful words. Listen carefully. Friend, family, teacher, student, book, notebook, pen, pencil, phone, water, food, breakfast, lunch, dinner, 6, house, home, school, English, happy, smile. Great job! These words are small, but you'll use them every day. Now it's your turn. Answer our questions aloud. Ready? What's your name? Where are you from? Do you like English? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite drink? That's a fantastic start.
Excellent. If you answered out loud, you already practiced speaking English today. That's a fantastic start.
Here's today's English tip. Learn sentences, not only words.
Instead of learning coffee, learn I like coffee.
Instead of learning book, learn I am reading a book.
Your brain remembers complete sentences much faster.
George, can I ask you a fun question?
Of course.
What's your favorite season?
Winter. I love cool weather. How about you?
I like spring. Everything looks fresh and beautiful. Flowers bloom everywhere.
Spring is lovely, but I still choose winter.
Why?
Because I enjoy drinking hot coffee on cold mornings.
That sounds relaxing.
What do you like doing in spring?
I enjoy walking in parks. The weather is perfect. That sounds wonderful. Many students say, I'm afraid people will laugh at me.
But here's the truth. Most people are happy that you're learning their language.
Exactly. They won't expect you to be perfect. They'll appreciate your effort.
Every conversation makes you stronger. Every mistake teaches you something new.
So never stop speaking. Even 1 minute of English every day can make a big difference.
Let's review what we've learned today.
We learned greetings.
We introduced ourselves.
We practiced simple conversations.
We learned new vocabulary.
and we discovered that confidence is more important than perfection. Excellent work! Welcome back! I hope you're enjoying today's lesson.
Now it's time to use everything we've learned. Let's practice with some real-life conversations.
Imagine you're meeting someone for the first time. I'll start. Hello, my name is Emily. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Emily. My name is George. Nice to meet you too. How are you today?
I'm doing great. Thank you. How about you?
I'm very well. Thanks for asking.
What do you do?
I'm an English teacher. And you?
I'm an English teacher too. I enjoy helping people improve their speaking skills.
That's wonderful. Teaching is a great job.
Thank you. Now, let's continue our conversation. What's your favorite hobby?
I enjoy playing football and watching movies. What about you?
I love reading books and traveling. I also enjoy listening to music.
That's interesting. Do you like learning new languages?
Yes, I do. Learning languages helps us meet new people.
I completely agree. English is a language that connects people from all over the world.
Exactly. Now, let's try another conversation. Imagine we're classmates.
Good morning. Is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please have a seat.
Thank you. Are you new here?
Yes, today is my first day.
Welcome. My name is George.
Nice to meet you. I'm Emily.
Do you enjoy studying English? Yes, I really enjoy it. I'm still learning, but I practice every day.
That's the best way to improve. Practice a little every day.
Exactly. Small steps every day lead to big success.
Now let's practice some useful daily sentences.
I'm ready.
I am happy.
I am ready.
I understand.
I don't understand.
Can you repeat that, please?
Could you speak more slowly?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
See you tomorrow.
Excellent. These are simple sentences, but you'll hear and use them every day.
Now, let's ask our viewers a few questions. Answer them aloud. What's your name? Where are you from? How old are you? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite color? Do you like English? Why are you learning English? What's your dream job? What do you like to do in your free time?
Very good. If you answered those questions in English, you've already made great progress. Keep practicing every day. Even 10 minutes of speaking can make a huge difference.
Let's quickly review today's lesson.
Today, we learned how to greet people politely.
We learned how to introduce ourselves.
We practiced asking and answering simple questions.
We learned useful everyday vocabulary.
We practiced speaking with real conversations.
And most importantly, we learned that confidence comes from practice.
Remember these 5 tips. Speak every day. Listen carefully. Repeat aloud. Don't fear mistakes. Never give up.
Here's your homework. Introduce yourself in English. Practice today's greetings 5 times. Learn 10 new English words. Speak English for at least 10 minutes today. And watch this lesson again if you need more practice.
The more you repeat, the easier English becomes.
In episode 2, we'll learn how to talk about our daily routine. You'll learn useful verbs, easy conversations, and many new expressions that native speakers use every day. It's gonna be fun! Congratulations! You have successfully completed episode 1 of our English speaking course. You should be proud of yourself. Every lesson brings you one step closer to speaking English confidently.
Remember, fluent English doesn't happen overnight. It happens one lesson at a time, one conversation at a time, and one day at a time.
Thank you so much for spending your time learning with us. We truly appreciate every one of you.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please give this video a big like.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all 30 episodes of this English speaking course.
Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.
And share this video with your friends and family who also want to improve their English. Learning together makes the journey even more enjoyable.
Keep practicing every day. Keep believing in yourself and never stop learning.
We'll see you in episode 2 with another exciting lesson. Until then, take care, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
Goodbye, everyone.